Google and Amazon are at war. So up until last week, if you would have gone into the YouTube app, you will be greeted with this message right here. Message is essentially telling you that as of the beginning of the year, the YouTube application will no longer work. So simply what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to replace the YouTube app by sideloading it, and you'll be able to benefit YouTube way beyond the January 1st, 2018 deadline. Before we get started, if you can click on the subscribe button and the bell so that you get notifications whenever my newest videos come out. In addition to that, if you're interested in getting the FireStick, which is actually a really good quad-core device, you could easily move it from TV to TV, and it goes with you wherever you're traveling. If ever you leave and go elsewhere, the links will be directly on the screen. Click the link that's most appropriate to your location. There's the 4K FireStick, there's the basic Canadian version, and then there's the basic US version. Alright, so let's get YouTube back onto the FireStick. How we're going to do that, we're going to do that by sideloading it. Sideloading it, if you're familiar with the lingo, is essentially taking an application and adding it onto a device in a non-conventional manner. So generally with adding applications, you would go through the Play Store or through the Amazon store, but since it's not available, we're going to have to go through a different way. You will need this application, which is called the downloader. If you already have it or know how to download it, you could skip to the end of the video. You would have to go to categories to add it in. Once in categories, then you're going to scroll over to utility, which is in the bottom right corner of the categories list. We're going to go into utilities, and generally the first one that you're going to see is going to be the downloader. So once you have it highlighted, it's just really simple. You're just going to click on it. Then you'll have the opportunity to download it. I've already downloaded the downloader, but if you haven't downloaded it yet, you will see this. Get free to download, because obviously it's a free download. It'll take a few seconds, so if you want to pause the video, you can go ahead and do that, and then you'll be able to enter the application. When you enter it, it's going to look like this. On the home page of the downloader, you're going to enter in this URL. So bit.ly/MFTInstaller. So bit.ly, so bit.ly/MFTInstaller. Then /MFTInstaller. Just make sure that everything is written correctly. Any errors will obviously not allow you to download it. Click OK. It'll download. Once you're going to hit with this screen, you're going to scroll down to the bottom. You're going to click on Install. It should install. It's done. You can click on Done or Open. Either way, that's fine. If you click on Open, it'll allow you to access the YouTube application that you've sideloaded. It's going to spin, and then there you're going to have your application, which looks exactly the same as the native YouTube application that was on the FireStick. So just to show you, if we're going to come out, we're going to go to the home page. If you would have clicked on Done, then you can go and get the YouTube app from the main page by doing this. And just to show you like a strict comparison, so we're going to go into the application. There you go, you click on it, you see it's going to give you the little notification that you're in the YouTube app, similar to before. And it's going to give you an exact same experience as the native YouTube application that was pre-installed or that was installed on the device, on the FireStick. So just to show you the differences, we're going to go back to the main screen. We're going to go to the YouTube one. This is the native one, and you're going to see here it's exactly the same as I said. So the same, a little bit different, where you don't have the YouTube play button pull out of the YouTube, but it's exactly the same application. The only pitfall to this is that you may have to manually do the updates from time to time, but at least you'll be able to have a working, functional YouTube application as opposed to the deadline that they had set for January 1st, 2018. And there you have it. So like, share, leave a comment if you found another way to sideload it. Maybe you want to leave that in the comment. And if you're interested in getting a FireStick, which is a great quad-core device, which will allow you to stream, there's the links on the screen which will lead you straight to the Amazon store. A great little device, under $70 that you're going to be able to pick one up for. And thank you very much. Have a great new year. All the best to you and yours. Take care. Check out all my apps, and introducing the newest apps to the MTLFREETV family.